Hey guys, Brian Monaco here from Monaco Auto Design. Got a little scrappy video for you today. The Porsche GT3RS was leaked and I couldn't help myself and threw it into Photoshop and made it one of my favorite colors, which is Porsche's acid green. So here you'll see me making those changes, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm absolutely in love with this car so far. I think we'll see more once it is fully revealed, probably this week at Car Week. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.